The Commowner 5000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer comes equipped with a robust 33-foot hose, making it adaptable and convenient for various cleaning tasks. Its powerful 2,000-watt motor and advanced pump technology deliver an impressive 5,000 psi, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning of cars, patios, and driveways. Featuring professional-grade metal connectors and a leak-proof design, this pressure washer guarantees a reliable and durable cleaning performance. The total stop system enhances energy efficiency by automatically shutting off the machine when not in use, while the safety lock on the spray gun prevents accidental operation. With a selection of 5 quick connect nozzles and a 500 milliliter detergent tank, this washer offers versatility for different cleaning requirements. Simple assembly and user-friendly design ensure that you can start cleaning quickly without any hassle, supported by a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer service.